Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have you ever wondered why some people keep trying to hurt you, yet somehow you continue to survive? Why every plan against you seems strong at first, but never truly destroys you? Maybe someone betrayed your trust. Maybe they spread lies about you. Maybe they laughed while you were struggling, hoping to see you fall. And perhaps you've spent countless nights asking, Ya Allah, why are you allowing this to happen? But what if everything you've been experiencing is not
a sign that Allah has abandoned you? What if at this very moment Allah is protecting you in ways your eyes cannot see? Stay with me until the end, because today's reminder may completely change the way you look at hardship, betrayal, and the people who tried to break your heart. My dear brothers and sisters, one of the greatest comforts a believer can hold on to is knowing that Allah is never unaware of what happens to His servants. Every painful word spoken against you, every false accusation, every act of injustice, and every silent tear you have shed is known perfectly by Him. Sometimes we expect justice to happen immediately. We want Allah to remove the pain today, expose the wrongdoer today, and solve every problem today. But Allah's wisdom is far greater than our emotions. What feels like a delay to us is often part of a perfect plan that we simply cannot see. There are moments when life becomes so difficult that you begin questioning everything. You wonder why sincere people suffer while those who cause harm appear to succeed. Yet the believer understands that this world is only one chapter of a much bigger story. Allah never forgets. Not a single injustice escapes His knowledge. Not a single prayer disappears without being heard. Sometimes Allah allows a test to continue because He is preparing something much greater than the relief you are asking for. Through every hardship, He strengthens your
faith, purifies your heart, increases your patience, and raises your rank in ways that comfort never could. Many of the strongest believers were tested before they were honored. Their hardships were not signs of rejection. They were signs that Allah was preparing them for something greater. So if your heart feels heavy today, don't mistake silence for abandonment. Just because you cannot see Allah's plan doesn't mean it isn't unfolding. The one who created your heart knows exactly how much it can carry. The one who allowed this test also knows the perfect moment to replace your pain with peace. Never lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Sometimes the chapter that hurts the most becomes the chapter that brings you closest to your Creator. And perhaps the battle you're fighting today is not meant to destroy you. It is meant to transform you.
My dear brothers and sisters, one of the biggest mistakes we make during difficult times is believing that because nothing is changing, Allah is doing nothing. But silence from Allah is never the same as absence. There are battles being fought for you that you know nothing about. There are dangers being removed from your path before they ever reach you. And there are blessings being prepared that simply are not ready to enter your life yet. Think about a seed buried beneath the soil. From the outside, it looks lifeless. Nothing seems to be happening. But beneath the surface, Allah is creating roots strong enough to support the tree that will one day stand tall. Your life is often the same. Just because people cannot see your progress doesn't mean Allah has stopped working. Many times we ask, Ya Allah, why haven't you answered my dua? Perhaps the better question is, what is Allah preparing while I wait? Because every delay carries wisdom. Sometimes Allah delays your victory so your character becomes stronger. Sometimes He delays your success so your gratitude becomes deeper. Sometimes He delays removing a difficult person from your life until you've learned the lesson that relationship was meant to teach you. Our vision is limited. We only see today. Allah sees your entire future. He knows which door will bring peace and which one will bring regret. He knows which opportunity will protect your faith and which one will pull you away from Him. That is why a believer learns not only to make dua, but also to trust the timing of the one answering it. Remember the stories of the prophets. Their prayers were never ignored. Some answers came quickly, others arrived after years of patience. But every answer came exactly when it was best. Allah never rushes, and He never forgets. If today feels heavy, if your heart feels tired, if you've been waiting longer than you expected, don't lose hope. Your Lord has not forgotten your name. He has not forgotten your tears, and He has certainly not forgotten your duas. The moment Allah chooses is always better than the moment we demand, because His wisdom is perfect, even when our understanding is not.
My beloved brothers and sisters, one of the hardest realities in life is discovering that not everyone who smiles at you sincerely wants the best for you. Some people applaud you in public, but compete with you in private. Some speak kindly to your face, yet criticize you the moment you leave the room. And some remain close to you only because they benefit from your presence. As painful as this may be, never think that Allah is unaware of what is hidden inside people's hearts. Human beings only judge what they can see. Allah judges what no eye can ever witness. He knows every intention. He hears every private conversation. He knows every plan that was made against you, even before it was carried out. That is why you should never become obsessed with proving yourself to everyone. You don't need every person to understand your heart when the Creator of your heart already does. Sometimes Allah allows people to reveal their true character, not to punish you, but to protect you. A painful truth today can save you from a greater heartbreak tomorrow. A broken friendship may be Allah's mercy. A closed door may be His protection. And a difficult goodbye may be the beginning of a far better future. Many of us pray for success, happiness, and peace, but we forget that sometimes those blessings cannot enter our lives until certain people leave them. Not everyone who walks away from you is a loss. Some departures are actually divine protection. Allah removes what threatens your faith, so He can replace it with something that strengthens it. So instead of asking, why did this person change? Ask yourself, what is Allah protecting me from? Because Allah never removes something valuable without knowing exactly what He plans to replace it with. Trust His wisdom, even when your heart struggles to understand it. One day, you may look back and realize that the people you cried over were never meant to stay. And the doors that closed were actually saving you from paths that would have taken you away from the blessings Allah had written for you. So don't chase people who choose to leave. Don't exhaust yourself trying to convince everyone of your sincerity. Stay sincere with Allah. Remain patient. Keep your character beautiful. Because when Allah is pleased with you, the opinions of people lose their power. And remember, the one who knows every hidden truth will never allow injustice to last forever. My dear brothers and sisters, if there is one lesson I want you to carry with you today, let it be this. Never measure Allah's love by the number of hardships in your life. Sometimes the people closest to Allah are tested the most, not because they are forgotten, but because Allah is preparing them for a higher place in this life and the next. If people have hurt you, don't let their actions harden your heart. If they lied about you, let Allah be your witness. If they betrayed your trust, let Allah be your protector. And if they walked away when you needed them the most, remember that Allah never abandons those who sincerely turn back to Him. There may be moments when your heart feels exhausted, when your du'as seem unanswered, when your future looks uncertain. But never forget that the one who controls the heavens and the earth is also controlling every detail of your story. Nothing happens without His knowledge. Nothing reaches you without His permission. And nothing can stop the blessings He has already written for you. So instead of living with fear, live with tawakkul. Instead of carrying hatred, carry patience. Instead of seeking revenge, seek the pleasure of Allah. Because the greatest victory is not proving people wrong. The greatest victory is standing before Allah with a heart that remained faithful, patient, and sincere, despite everything it went through. Perhaps today you are crying, but tomorrow, by the will of Allah, those same tears will become the reason you smile. Perhaps today a door has closed, but Allah is preparing another door that no one will ever be able to shut. Perhaps today you feel alone, yet Allah is closer to you than you can possibly imagine. So keep making dua, keep praying, keep trusting, keep moving forward. Your story is not over. Your best days are not behind you. With every hardship comes ease, and with every sincere act of patience comes a reward that only Allah can measure. May Allah heal every broken heart listening to this reminder. May He replace every sadness with peace, every fear with security, every loss with something far better, and every sincere dua with an answer at the most perfect time. Amen. If this reminder touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who may need hope today. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more reminders that strengthen faith, inspire patience, and bring us all closer to Allah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.